Come on everyone, it's time to play a little game. Come on under this tree and form two groups. Jenny, Samir, Sachin and Riya are in group 1. Nikhil, Priya, Ahmad and Ruchi are in group 2. Come here group 1. Look at the table of letters in the middle of the mat. Sit around the mat. You have to make words using the letters in the table. Come here group 2. Look at the table of letters in the middle of the mat. Sit around the mat. You have to make words using the letters in the table. Before you begin, listen to the rules of the game. Rule 1. You can begin with any letter. Rule number 2. You can move in any direction. Rule 3. You cannot jump over a letter. Rule number 4. You cannot use a letter twice in the same word. I will give you 10 minutes to make your list of words. Your time starts now.
S-A-T, sat.
C-A-T, cat.
B-A-T, bat. S-A-N-D, sand. P-A-N, pan.
S-P-A-T, spat.
No, Samir, you cannot jump from S to P over C.
Oh, okay. C-A-N, can.
Our time is up, but there are more words we can make here.
That's true, Riya. Here are more words from the table. M-A-N, man. S-T-A-N-D, stand. N-A-P, nap. M-A-P, map. Let's see what the other team is doing.
D-I-G, dig.
B-I-G, big.
B-I-N, bin. S-I-N-G, sing.
K-I-N-G, king.
B-I-R-D, bird. B-R-I-N-G, bring.
K-I-C-K, kick. No, Ruchi, you cannot use the same letter twice. Oh, so that goes. Our time is up, but we can make more words from this table.
That's true. You can all try to make more words from this table. Open your textbook to page 49. You will find 3 more tables here. See how many words you can make using each of these tables. Remember the rules when you make the words.